One CRPF personnel has been killed in an ambush by Kuki militants this morning at Mongbung village in Jiribam district. According to a source, a team of combined force comprising of Manipur police commandos and central forces launched search operations at Mongbung village this morning. While the security forces conducting search operation at the area, the Kuki militants with sophisticated arms suddenly ambushed the security. One CRPF personnel received a bullet injury at his head in the ambush. Later, he was succumbed due to the head injury. Another two police commandos were also injured in the incident. The CRPF personnel was identified as Ajay Kumar Jaha Constable. The Kuki militants launched attacks at the security from Saijang, Balijuri and Jirolpokpi villages. The security forces also retaliated the attack of Kuki militants. There were heavy exchanges of firing between the Kuki militants and the security forces. Additional security forces has rushed at the area, the source added.
Guys, hey, kuni, get down. Get down mo. Hey. Hung nay to, hung tay. Mangge mong pa eh, mangge ko. Guys, ano ko? Atan zop ni na. Yan ti kali. Yan mo. Kiyap lang ako ni. Ano misi? Eh na nga abo. Kami taltang. For pa kanin ano mo?